Good afternoon, guys. So I woke up this morning feeling a little bit anxious, and I've ended up being green, and it's for good reasons. I'm standing up for the right to be green. I'm just standing up for the right of being green, basically. I don't really know what else it means, really, other than, obviously, if I did walk along the street like this, I would be called insane. Yeah. But if I walked down the street like this, I'd probably feel really, really high. God, I could have done with putting a little bit of lip gloss on before coming on. But yeah, I could do a little green dance. I'm not smiling. I'm not smiling that as much as I thought I was, because I'm sort of like innerly ashamed of myself for following it through. Yeah, so I've been quite productive in the last few days, and yeah, I've been in a meditation sort of mood this morning. I do look insane. I'm like literally looking at myself worried. But, and I might actually have to wash this off my face in a minute, because it's not actually face paint. It's like that cheap paint you get out of, you know, the things for the children, and it's really drying on my face, but you just never know. It could have really good benefits. And I do look before I put the green hood up, but yeah, enough about me. I'm just standing up for the rights of following through with promises, and standing up, basically, and following through with something, even if it has no sense to it. You just never know. This could really stand for something. It could lighten someone's day. It has lightened my day. But I am going to admit, I am going to take this off in a minute. Because like I said, as much as I like to follow through with something that I say, it is really drying, and I'm already dry enough. But yeah. Oh, God. Right, so be careful what you get yourself into. Yeah, I feel really ashamed, green. I was going to answer the door. My children are getting a lift home from school, and I was just going to say, don't worry, it's a long story. But right, I've done it now, all right? And I'm going to go and wash it off. But I'd like to say something more useful with the green. But I think the green is just standing up for itself. Remember, the truth is in the stillness. All right, so much love. All right, and yeah, have a good happy equinox day. Equal daylight, equal night. Don't get too much rest. Don't be too good, don't be too bad. Right, so yeah, cheers, much love and confusion. Namaste.